If you're looking for a makeup tutorial that you can do every morning before going to work and you want to look put together and you want to know which product you should use, then this video is for you. So I'm wearing nothing on my face right now, so I'm gonna share step-by-step tutorial. So we're gonna start with the skin prep. So at first I'm gonna wear this Dalba White Truffle Supreme facial mist on my face. I'm gonna shake this and I'm gonna use this Good Molecule Matte Wake Up Eye Gel. Does reduce signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of fine lines. So I'm taking the pea side under my eyes. Just rub it in. I'm using Embryolized Moisturizer. This is really good as a skin prep and this is like all in one. After moisturizer, you can use any sunscreen. So I'm not going out, so I will not apply sunscreen right now, but usually I use Haru Haru Wonder sunscreen. This is really good under makeup and it does not peel. You can use this one, and also Beauty of Chosen sunscreen is also good. Huda Beauty color corrector in shade Peach. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer 34S Medium Sand. L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation in shade 6N.